What have we here? November 30th. November 30th. Not April or March, but November 30th. And the first litter of ducks at Civic Center Park. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 or so. So let's see if we can keep those big birds from having these babies for lunch. There it is. Thanksgiving baby ducks. Who'd have thought?